Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be going over some foraging tips for your bird. So what is foraging? Foraging is having your bird work for their food instead of just giving it to them in a dish. Foraging is important for parrots because in the wild, birds spend so much of their time looking for food. And if we can simulate that in our homes, then our birds will be kept occupied for longer, and it's really a great source of enrichment for your bird. It's a good idea to use a treat that they don't normally get a lot of in their normal diet, like seeds or nuts or fruit, or anything they really love. So now let's just get into the list of the 5 foraging ideas for parrots. So for the first one, all you need are these finger traps, some crinkle paper or confetti, and some millet spray. All you need to do is pretty much just cut off a section of the millet, stuff it into the finger trap. If your bird is inexperienced, you can go ahead and leave it like this, but I like to add some crinkle paper on the ends of it so they have to work a little bit harder. So the next idea is making a foraging tray or box for your birds. This is especially helpful for budgies, cockatiels, and other birds that usually forage on the ground in the wild. So I'm going to start off with a large tray, and then I'm going to evenly sprinkle some seeds on the bottom. And then I'm going to take a lot of crinkle paper and cover the seeds with it. And then if you want, you can add some little foot toys to make it a little bit more interesting for your bird and to encourage your bird to dig around more. Now, if you don't have a tray, you can actually do this with a food bowl as well. So the next thing is using any kind of basket or woven type toy and then sticking the treats inside the little holes. The next foraging toy involves using a skewer and putting the fruits and vegetables between the toys. And then you can tie a string to it to hold it together and then hang it up on the side of the cage. Now the last way to get your bird to forage is pretty straightforward. It's just buying some puzzle type foraging toys. And I personally really like these for my birds because they really do challenge the bird's intelligence, and it's really fun to watch the birds figure them out. I know these can be a little bit more expensive, but I do think they're worth it. with this toy, the food starts at the top level, and then the bird has to pull these blue things to get it all the way down to the bottom. Alright, so that was our video on foraging. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to comment down below if you have tried any of these foraging ideas for your birds. And I'll see you guys next time.